alive? Who said? Buhay pa pala yun? May niniwala pa doon. Christy Verman. Well, can't blame her. Close yun sila eh.
Muling nag-update ang actress na si Ellen Adarna sa kanyang social media account. Sinagot ni Ellen ang ilang katanungan ng kanyang mga followers sa Ask Me a Questions sa kanyang Instagram stories. Sinagot ni Ellen ang ilang mga katanungan ng netizens. Kabilang na kung nagbibigay ba ng financial support ang mga ama ng kanyang mga anak at ang kontrobersyal na ₱500 Noche Buena budget, ang issue ng pagre-record niya ng pag-aaway nila ni Derek, at ang masasabi niya sa pagkampi ni Christy Fermin kay Derek at iba't ibang issue na may kaugnayan sa buhay niya sa kasalukuyan. Narito ang kanyang mga sagot.
Waiting for Lily to wake up so I can take her to the food park. I believe in mother's love. A mother's love is the highest form of love. Cheating, may it be emotional cheating, micro-cheating, digital infidelity, texting, no. All my bags are packed, ready to go. Love ako. Guy, I'm always calm. I've always been calm. And if you ask my friends and my nannies who's been there with me in my past relationships, I am not a shouting type. So, yun na. Diba? Nasa Taiwan, may nag-ingon ako nga, why am I recording daw without his consent? Why did I give him consent to shout at me? Kung di ka ganahan ma-recordan, ayaw pag syagit-syagit. It's my only way to protect myself. Babae, di ako. Diba? Kasi hadlo kay dahil, what if nahimitabu? Laki, kusog, kusgan ba yung laki? So, unsa man imuhang about, diba? So, yun na. Kung dili ka ganahan mabidyohan kasi yung kabuang, di ayaw pagbuang-buang. Pagtarong og storya. Mura na simple. And I did not grow up in an environment na my father and my mom fighting, shouting at each other. No. I never heard my father shouting at my mom. So, akong childhood with my parents, like, peaceful and calm. My father was a very calm person. So, when I hear shouting, it's not okay. It's not okay for me. It's not normal for me. It's not normal. But I have friends who grew up in an environment na ang parents pagsigig-away. So, that kind of situation, shouting, fighting, is normal. So, but me, no. I had a peaceful childhood with my parents. More na, at least I can say, I tried, been there, done that. There's no point. It's just paper. And if you check and research about why marriage exists, the history of it, I'll screenshot and you can dive deeper into it. So, of course, I did my research, like, why? Unsa man din ngayon, pakasal pa man taon ko. So, na-research ko. So, mga dito. Of course, masking di ko mo drive aniday. I drove it once ever in my life when it arrived inside the village, but I never used it. So, I don't like driving and I don't like expensive cars. It's a liability. So, yeah, of course, lahi pa lang yung passenger princess, lahi na. Pupunta. Ako yung baligya ang niya ako butang sa traspan niya. So, funny story. Katong pagkuha na ako sa Bentley. Yan na yan, boy. Ay, ma'am, may babayaran, kunin mo lang sa kasa. May babayaran kasi pinaservice ni sir. Okay. Kanya, gikuha naman siyang boy. So, nakunin ko sa kasa. Karon, pagkuha na ko sa balay, Waray 1 hour. Text yung boy, ma'am, i-deposit mo na lang sa account ni Sir D with the bill for the second time. I-sandan ko bill for the second time. So, okay. So, nitawag ko sa iyang mga ex-friends. Ex-friends lagi niya. Ang gichikan, huy, ako ipabayad sa service nga 65,000 na. Doon ako billionaire ni Inumigo. But anyway, matong chika. Okay, mabayad ko with tip. Nabisi lang ko this week when moving in. But wait lang. Ay, sobrang peaceful na ng life ni Gali. And, hi gal, see you soon. Do they feed me? Do these bashers feed me? Do they pay for my bills? No. No. I'm a shorty. 5'1". Sa mga walang alam, now, malalaman mo na. That neighbor was a pogo. P-O-G-O. Pogo. Okay? Oh. Do you want pogos? Are they welcome here? No. At the time, we couldn't talk about it because you're still there. Oh, but na wala na sila kasi pinaalis na. So, ano na yung mga daming hanash. Ngayon alam niyo na pogo. Sige daw. Okay. Dai, 15 days lang yung restraining order tapos na yung restraining order na dahil. Okay? Ano gusto niyo ng resibo? Whoosh! She's still alive! Who said? Uy, papalayo? May niniwala pa doon. Christy Verman. Well, can't blame her. Close yun sila eh. Yes. The only times din na hindi yan nakapunta is when he's abroad or he has work. But he's always present sa mga kahit maliit na he's there. Si Jessa din nagbakasyon. Ulisdaan bantayan. So, 1 month siya nagbakasyon. Sana all. Mas taas pa siyang bakasyon ako. Hoy, Jessa. Hindi na. Katao nun siya. Dahil buwan dyan yung kanatawad niya sa una to. Siya, you're not allowed. Teacher Ryan, you're not allowed in the house. You cannot go inside. Yung alihan yung door. Sapat yun. Palusot na siya. My tummy hurts. Yung mga sure. Sige, tawagan ako imong mama. If your tummy hurts, no, it's okay na di. Ay, it's okay na. I feel okay na. It's okay na. Hindi siya gumapalusot. Teacher Rai, you know what? My mama is selling the piano now, so you don't have to come back. But he was only 5. He was a child, a baby. Now that he's 7, he's accepted it, and it's accepted that it's part of his life. Yes, I plan to move back in a year or 2. It's because Elias is still studying. No? If he wasn't studying, I would have packed my bags and gone. It would have been easier for me. But there, yes. Pag every month ko nila i-text, mura yung ana. But pag ko ready for Melay. Next year na guro. Hi, Melay. Kita tapuhon. So, kani nga mga bracelets dahil kani kay Liana, kay dako pa kay niya. So, ako yung suot. Kaning duha, gift ni Elias ni Liana. But dako pa kaayusan. So, ako na lang ni suot. I'm good, busy. I've been dropping and picking up my son in school, bringing his lunch to school, cooking for them. So, yeah. So far, so good. Who said? To be honest, I don't depend. If they give, they give. If they don't, they don't. Simple. I don't demand. Saan aabot ang 500 pesos mo? Sa imagination. Delulu. Nails by Mimi, my Ming Ming, Minskew, Madam Mins. My Totga, the one that's always galit agad. Madam Mins. Who said? Yeah, I guess it's safe to say that it is under a corporation, so it is safe to say that it is protected. Yung veneers, ang laki-laki na nga. Ano na itsura after, parang chiclets or eraser.